Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here. I've come to realize that decluttering in the summer is really beneficial, especially if you're decluttering holiday items or winter items. Let me tell you exactly what I'm talking about. I believe the very best time to declutter certain items is in the off-season. For instance, in the summer, it's much easier to declutter Christmas decorations, Halloween decorations, and Thanksgiving decorations. It's much harder to declutter holiday decorations when you're in the very middle of the holiday season. When it's hot outside and we're in the off-season, this is the best time to go through and take out the things we really don't want and only keep the things we really do want and cherish. It's easy to declutter sleds in the summer when the weather's hot and you have broken sleds or sleds that your children have outgrown sitting out in the garage. If you have old snow shovels that are broken or you don't live in a snowy climate anymore, it's the best time to declutter those as well. Warm weather is the best time to go through and get out all of your old mittens and gloves and hats and scarves and sweaters and get those out of your space. When it's really hot, you don't want to think about even putting those on. Warm weather is also a great time to take out all of your blazers and coats and jackets and try those on and see if you really want to keep those. If they're older or dated or they don't fit properly or they're in disrepair, missing a button or the lining is torn, it's the perfect time to take those out now and donate those. Do you have old snow skis or snowboards that you've stored in your attic or basement or in a closet somewhere? This is a really great time to take those out because you're not thinking about winter sports and you may not be using those for any activities like that anyway. Do you have old heavy-duty worn-out slippers that should have been tossed in the early spring and here it is summertime? This would be a great time to toss those out as well. While we're in the decluttering mode, it's the perfect time to open your sock drawer and pull out heavy-duty socks that you don't wear or socks that were gifts or have crazy prints or they're just worn out and need replaced. It's a great time to take those out and throw those away as well. Are you holding on to an old pair of weathered boots that don't fit right, they're out of style, or they just aren't suitable to wear anywhere? This would be the perfect time to throw those out. Take a few minutes and pick through your closet looking at all of your long sleeve shirts and flannel shirts. Anything heavy duty that's worn or weathered, maybe they're missing buttons or they're damaged in some way. It's a great time to pull those out and donate the ones that are still serviceable. I can guarantee we're not wearing heavy robes and pajamas, especially flannel pajamas in the summertime. So this was the perfect time to pull them out and take a look at them and see what you can part with. It's summertime and the kids are out of school. Do they still have their old backpacks from the school year laying around in their bedrooms? This is a great time to take the old backpack, and if it's worn out and not serviceable or has characters that they've outgrown, it's a perfect time to throw those out or donate them if they're still usable. Your kids are a year older now. Do they have toys that they've outgrown or clothing that doesn't fit anymore? Pull those things out and take them out of their rooms so that they can have more space to play and enjoy a clean environment. We certainly aren't using heavy-duty quilts and bedding, flannel sheets, or electric blankets in this summer heat. It's the perfect time to pull out the ones we didn't use the last year or the year before and donate those as well. And our last and final item, old worn-out shoes. Do you have old worn-out shoes you've been holding on to thinking you'll use them around the house when you do projects or mow the lawn? We only need one pair of old shoes that we can use for those type of projects. All of the rest can go. Pick out the ones you're most likely to wear when you have dirty work to do and let the others go. Time to put those in the trash and clear out your space. I really appreciate you being here for my video and I hope this was helpful. I have a true passion for decluttering and organizing spaces. Be sure to check back for many more decluttering and organizing videos to come. I appreciate you so much and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.